Meaning of internationalization.
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 Internationalization. Internationalization is a term used to describe the process of designing products, services, and applications that can be adapted to multiple languages, cultures, and regions without the need for significant changes. It involves making products and services accessible to people from different countries and cultural backgrounds, by taking into consideration differences in language, currency, date and time formats, measurement units, etc. Internationalization is an essential aspect of globalization, as it enables companies to expand their reach to international markets and cater to the needs of a diverse customer base.